Located 15 minutes from downtown Columbia and an hour 45 from Greenville, sits the perfect place for a home in the Lexington, Gilbert, and Gaston area. In the heart of downtown Lexington is the Old Mill. Constructed over a century ago, it is now home to anything from a yoga studio to office space, used bookstores, and salons and spas. The exciting atmosphere continues at the Ice House Amphitheater, a near 1,000-seat venue that hosts both community events and bigger concerts alike. Just a stroll down Main Street brings into view the Town Hall, a pivotal structure in Lexington's rich history, and a peaceful afternoon in Lexington Square Park, with the iconic clock and monument meeting at the intersection of the old and new town. Award-winning schools can be found throughout the area, with Lexington High School, Rocky Creek Elementary, Beechwood Middle, and Gilbert Elementary, Middle, and High School receiving yearly awards at both the state and national levels, making these communities the perfect place to nurture the growth of young minds and families. Gilbert's placement on the water offers a look into the luxury of lake life and opportunities to interact with the natural beauty of the Carolinas. A trip to Siesta Cove or Larry Coon Landing offers a full-service marina and campground, or a relaxed picnic day on the waterfront. The wide-open spaces also lend themselves to room for beautiful parks, Gibson Pond Park being the perfect marriage between manicured nature and community gathering. The large pavilion houses picnic tables, grills, fans, and restrooms for larger events, offset by the cleared, peaceful paths through the land and the boardwalk overlooking the water. Gilbert Community Park offers more recreation in nature. This scenic park featuring an amphitheater, walking trails, a playground, and more picnic shelters, as well as hosting the annual Lexington County Peach Festival. There's space in the Carolinas for both the love of leisure and the chance for novelty, where small-town pleasures meet big city adventures. Lexington, Gilbert, and Gaston, the opportunity to experience it all.